84th birthday. We love you.
Love you, Lola.
Love you, Lola.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Good health.
Good health always. Love you.
Tingin dito.
Happy birthday, Ina. Happy birthday, Inang. I wish you have a golden health and love and kindness inside you. And I miss you, Inang. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Inang Flor. I love you and I miss you. Mwah.
Hello Inang, happy birthday, happy 84th birthday po. Love ka namin. Dito ako ngayon sa may swimming pool. Ayan, kakaahon ko lang. Happy birthday ulit. Sana lagi kang maging malakas. At sana lagi mo kaming gabaya mga apo mo. Happy birthday so much. We love you, Inang.
Hello, Inang. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Inang. More birthdays to come. See you soon. Gagalingan ko po dito. As you said, Inang, ingat ka palagi and good health. Happy birthday, Inang.
Hi, Inang. Happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. See you soon. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Inang. I love you. Mwah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Inang. Happy birthday, Inang. God bless. Sana masaya ka ngayon. Have a long, healthy life. Salamat sa lahat, Inang. We love you. We miss you. God bless. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola! We love and miss you so much. We're very blessed to call you our Inang. And we know and we believe na you live your purpose. Salamat sa Lord sa buhay mo. And we are very blessed na ikaw ang naging lola namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. See you soon!
Hello! Hi! Happy birthday, Lola! I miss you. I hope you are doing well. Habang pinapakinggan mo at pinapanood yung aming mga birthday greetings sa'yo. We pray that you are always happy and praying that you're always safe and sound. And we're always here for you no matter what. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Inang. Wish you more birthdays to celebrate. God bless us all. Agtuwa ka pa, agpapigsa ka pa, tapno kikinita tayong tupay. We love you, Inang. I love you. I miss you, Inang. Hope to see you soon. I love you.
Hello Inang. Happy 84th birthday. Wishing you all the best. Sana umaba pa ang buhay mo. Palagi kang malakas. Miss ka na namin, Inang. Sana pag uwi namin, malakas ka pa rin para makapasyal tayo. Happy 84th birthday, Inang. We miss you and always we love you.
Hello, Inang. Happy birthday. Na-reach mo yung 84th birthday. And thank you sa buhay mo. You're a good example to us. And salamat din sa endurance mo na nagpalaki sa amin. Na na-meet namin yung breakthrough sa aming buhay. And thank you, you're a good example to the spiritual buhay namin. in your buhay na spiritual. And we wish you more birthdays to celebrate. We love you, Inang. Take care of your health and stay together forever.
Hello, beloved Gloriana. Happy birthday on your 84th birthday. Wishing you all the best, and we love you. We always care for you. Wishing for your good health always. That you may have more birthdays to come. From Robel and Gina family, Robbie Gian, Yuata, and Dwayne Jan, your Apo sa Tuhod, and Janelle Maria.
Birthday na happy 84th birthday. Thank you for everything. You're in good health. Thank God that maabot mo yung ganyang edad, 84. Baka malampasan mo pa yung edad ni Inang baka eh. 60 Inang no.
Mami naman. Hello! Happy birthday, Inang! I love you! God bless! Ayun naman. Lola. Happy Lola, Inang. Lola.
Wish you
More
good health.
Mauna kayo na. Bye!
Bye-bye! Love you, Inang.
Happy birthday, Inang. Musta ka na? Sana mabuhay ka pa ng maraming taon. Salamat sa buhay na binigay mo sa amin. Pagpapaaral hanggang sa ikaw ay nagkaapo. Dami mo ng apo. Ingat ka lagi, inom mo ng mga gamot mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Inang. Alam ko pong napakalakas mo pa. At soon, magkikita tayo. Maraming salamat sa mga pag-aalaga mo sa amin, yung pangaral mo sa amin. Hindi kami makakarating kung saan kami naroon kung hindi dahil sa iyo. Yung pangangaral mo na mag-aral ng mabuti, which is, nandito kami ngayon para sa iyo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Sana maging malakas ka pa. At pag umuwi ako, gagala tayo. Inang, thank you sa lahat. Di man ako palaging tumatawag sa'yo. Hindi man din ako palaging send na messages sa'yo. Pero in my heart, mahal na mahal kita. Huwag ka mag-alala. Dadalasan ko ang pagtawag sa'yo. Kaya lang minsan pag tinatawagan kita, ayaw mong sumagot. Anyway, lagi kang walang load. Bibigyan kita pang load. Happy birthday, Inang. Maraming salamat talaga. Enjoy your day. Hanggat nabubuhay ka, magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong selebrasyon at alam kong tatagal ka pa. Magkikita tayo soon. I love you.